So in our video today, we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method, right? And we have an example here. So before we start solving it, there are things I want us to look out for. Since we are using elimination method, that means we are going to eliminate either x or y by either adding the both equation or by subtracting one of the equation from the other. Alright? Now, before we go, let's name our equation. Then we will check if we add both equations that we are going to eliminate either x or y. Or if we subtract the equations, we also find out if we are going to eliminate either x or y. So we name our equation, equation 1, equation 2. So let's add the both equation. If we add the both equation, we know that x will become 4x, right? And if we are adding this one too, we are going to get negative 3y here. So we have seen that if we add the equations, we did not eliminate either x or y. Now let's check and see if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1 to know if we are going to eliminate either x or y. So if we subtract x from this one, we are going to have 2x. And if we subtract this from here, we are going to have negative y. Alright? So we did not eliminate anyone. And since we did not eliminate anyone, what are we going to do? Now watch out. If we are trying to eliminate x, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply equation 1 with the coefficient of x in equation 2. And also multiply equation 2 with the coefficient of x in equation 1. What do I mean by that? If we are trying to eliminate x, so we will balance the equation. Now by multiplying equation 1 by 1, that is the coefficient of x in equation 2, and also multiply equation 2 by 3, that is the coefficient of x in equation 1. Once we do this, we will be able to eliminate x by either adding it or subtracting it, right? Now, likewise y, if you want to eliminate y, also multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, and also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1. Alright, so let's multiply equation 1 by 1 and multiply equation 2 by this. So by so doing, we are going to have multiplying equation 1 by 1, we are going to still get back our equation 1, nothing changed. Alright, so we are going to have 3x minus 2y equals to 20. You can call it equation 3. Then we are going to multiply equation 2 by this. So we're going to have 3 times x will give us 3x minus 3y equals to 6. We call it equation 4. Now, our x is balanced. we have the same coefficient of x in equation 3 and 4. So now what are we going to do? You will find out that if you subtract equation 4 from equation 3, we are going to eliminate x, right? So let's subtract equation 4. Just simply say subtract 4 from 3. We have 3x minus 2y equals to 20. 3x minus 3y equals to 6. We are subtracting it. If you subtract this, you're going to get 0 here. So it's out. Now, minus 2 minus 3y. If you subtract, we are going to get positive y. Why? Let's find out. Minus 2y minus 3y. This minus will affect this minus. If you multiply them together, it is going to be positive. That is minus 2y plus 3y. If you now add them, we're going to get positive y equals to 20 minus 6 will give us 14. Now we have seen that we have eliminated x to get the value of y. And the value of our y is 14. Therefore, y equals to 14. So in order for us to find x, we are going to substitute for y as 14 in any of our equations. Alright, so let's use equation 2. Simply say put y equals to 14 in equation 2 above. Our equation 2 still remains x minus y equals to 2. So let's substitute for y. We have x minus 14 equals to 2. X equals to 2, 14 over here, it will become positive 14. X equals to, adding them together, we have 16. So we have gotten the value of our y as 14 and the value of our x as 16.